So what we did here is on page 25, is said, okay, which parts of retail are going to win, which are going to lose? And I had a bunch of people call and say, hey, is RH hosed? It'll be horrible if you sell furniture. And I get it, and that is probably the case for everybody. But if you really look at it, I think, well, A, in each subsector, you have to look at who has a low cost advantage. On this chart, we basically looked at price versus the buying frequency. So overall, if you sell durables, if you sell automobiles or auto parts or even furniture, you're probably going to be okay. You have a replacement cycle of 5, 6+ years. Are we going to not buy a new bed just because, there's, I'm from New York, just because there's higher import duties? Probably not going to affect it. Are we going to not buy a car just because the parts which are being imported from Germany or, I don't know, Japan are going to go up? Probably not. However, are we going to not buy as many pairs of Gap jeans, if anyone buys Gap jeans anymore? No, we probably won't buy as many. So on this grid here, there are the companies who are higher priced, higher frequency, and a high disposable, like a highly disposable purchase. So the price is on your y-axis, and your frequency index is on your x-axis. So down there in the lower right, high risk, obviously you got grocery and drug retail. That's not at high risk. We're not going to buy, as I put here, we're not going to buy, less eggs or less Viagra. That's not me. Anyway, if just because all this happens, will we buy less apparel? Yes. Will we buy less shoes, fewer shoes and sporting goods? Yes. Sunglasses, I put Luxottica on our list earlier, on our short list. Almost all of its stuff is made in China, like over 90%. And it has a whole lot of other issues as well. So here's just a grid, I think, that outlines who's more at risk and who's less at risk. So a timeline, this page 27. So in April, it's going to go past the House Ways and Means. House probably will pass it in late spring. Early summer goes in front of the Senate. If it's going to pass, which according to JT, there's a lower probability of it getting through the Senate. If it does pass, it's going to happen in late August. It would be implemented in 18 or later. So there's your timeline.